Are you looking to make a wedding invitation card? Well, you are in the right place. Let's create a new file by going to File and clicking on New. Give it your own title. Make the width 7 inches and height 5 inches, the resolution as 300. Then click on OK. Get a good design background online and download it. Drag and drop it on the work path. Resize it to fit the work path. Select your type tool to write your text. Also select the text size of your choice. Now write out your text. We will just keep on changing the size of the text as we go on. Or change the font to our preferred font. Make sure as you are writing your text, you are placing them on new layers. Just follow the process from screen.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
And that is it. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you next time, and as always, peace.